choice using a token board. These are some resources that I sent you guys again yesterday about things that might help you. I just took, so this is the Easter Seals token board system that I emailed you exactly. So I'm trying to just use the things that I know you hopefully already have on hand, so that I'm not coming up with something that you might not have access to. So I've just taken the picture here at the bottom, cut that out, and I put 3 icons on here from that, 3 things that I would expect a student to do. This one says nice words, safe hands, and listen. Then on the choice board, they kind of go together, the token boards, choice boards. So here's the choice board. There was 2 pages, the leisure and the movement, and I just cut out some different icons from those that I liked. You pick out the ones that work the best for your family. Okay, and I've put 3 on here on this choice board. Most of my students are working on 3 icons. So this one says hang out, hallway bowling, and stairs. Hallway bowling sounds like a lot of fun. And I have a little person here with me. My son is here helping me out. And he's going to pick one of the 3 things that he would like by pointing to it. Okay, he picked stairs. So after he's done working, he's picked that he's gonna go run up and down our stairs in our house. So then I take that and I put it on the token board. That is the what am I working for part. So this says that he's going to use nice words, use safe hands, and listen to his mother. And then he's going to get to run up and down the stairs once he has done those things for the day. So I took, here's a page protector, slide that token board inside, again, just to kind of keep it a little bit more durable and put together. This is the one, by the way, that I cut off the top of to fake laminate the others. That's why it's only a part of a page. So as the day goes, if he's making good choices, he's using nice words, safe hands, listening, and this could be, he does it in a minute. So in this minute, he did it. He gets a check. And this is a washable marker. Those are work best on these things, and you can use just a little bit of water and rub it off. Or if you want to use a paper towel or a toilet paper or Kleenex or any other paper product that you're willing to sacrifice to the cause, and use that to wipe it off, or a rag while it's at work. So every few minutes, I give him a little check. He's done great today. He has done everything he's supposed to. He got his 5 checks. He now gets to go run the stairs. Great job! Yay! Lots of praise. And that's awesome. So that's how to use choice boards and token boards.